All right, we're back. Sorry about the technical difficulties. Ran out of space, but all right, we'll pick up right there. Now we're going to do the individual tubes, and I want to get down to muscle color. Now, there is a hole started there. I could use that, but for the sake of video, I'm just going to grab, you can see there's a big tendon right here. This is the under one. Just put a hole in it anywhere. Put the sharp side in, and you'll be able to see it going all the way down to the wrist, okay? And then I'm going to come, and I'm going to go back up the same way. I'm going to just take that right to the point of the elbow, right there. Now, as I start to roll this, it's eventually going to start picking up one of these muscles. So what I'm going to do with my scissors is just take it right down to the next muscle, and you can see I'm looking for it. There's the edge of the next muscle. This is pronator teres. And you can see I just have the jaws open a little bit. Keep it flat. Follow that muscle down. Don't cut any tendons. Take it right to the wrist. And you can see now we're down to just muscle right there. All right, and there's another piece right here I'm going to work on. So I'm going to roll this over, free it up, and I'm just going to keep pulling on it till it hits the edge of the next muscle. And the bottom sections are way easier than the top section. And you can see I have the sharp side, and I'm just shredding that with the sharp side of the scissors. All right, and I'm going to flip this. Make sure I stay on camera here. Perfect. You can see how that's coming around this side. See that come off there? It's all about technique. All right, so this part of the forearm is now clean. Oh, I got a little bit of work to do there, but I'm going to do the other side first. Okay? So let me get that down on the stay. Perfect. All right, now again, every one of these muscles has its own wrap, and I can start anywhere. So I'm going to start with this middle one right here. I'm going to lift this up. Pay attention. Everybody pay attention. Lift it up. I'm just going to put a little hole in it. And you can see I got a hole started there. Scissors in, sharp side down. Make sure you stay under the connective tissue. Right over the tendon. Why can't I get that? Oh, there we go. And you can see I'm just pushing the sharp side in there. Now when I pull on this, it's catching on the next muscle. So all I do is just Christmas paper it real low, and that'll come right off. And if you do it correctly, watch, it literally started the next one for me. Same technique. Slide the scissors in, liberate it on both sides. I'm going to take this all the way back. Then I'm going to roll it with my forceps, and you can see it hangs up. When it hangs up, we just Christmas paper it off right on the edge of that muscle. And I'm making that look a lot easier than it is. It's kind of like peeling skin after you had a sunburn. Cool. Okay. Now I'm going to continue. I have to clean this area right here. I'm going to clean all that off. And then I'm going to do the same thing just to save time. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to clear all this connective tissue off. Okay? So all the way around, same technique, get it all the way down to muscle. Ready, set, go.